forecast could be on the non-stationary data. The initial forecast could be on the non-stationary data, like I can do exponential moving average. Okay, and then what I see, I test the error. I do LinkedIn test. I do box peer test. Okay, I do these two tests, and I understand that my data is still not. The data has serial autocorrelation. It means data has pattern. Error data has pattern. Then again, what I can do, I can now work on this error data to extract the patterns. Ultimately, we have studied in the error management, right? In the error management, what we have studied, we have to make our error patternless. We have to remove the patterns on the error. So, this is approach I use with clients. So I took the box Jenkins approach, understood his reasoning of doing all those steps in the methodology. I understood that. Now what I do is I apply this technique everywhere. I have to see my error. That's why we call this error management, right? That's why we call this error management. The error management is something I follow everywhere now, and this I have learned from the arena. Box Jenkins method. I have learned from Box Jenkins, and I follow this error management everywhere. Even if I go with on a non-stationary data, okay, even if I use a simple moving average or a weighted moving average or a single exponential smoothing or double exponential smoothing or triple exponential smoothing or any other method of forecast, I go and check my error, whether error has pattern or not. If error has pattern, then I do remodeling of error. Again, I check pattern plus minus error. The error is again not white, if not a white noise series. Again, I do the modeling of error. And this is a machine learning approach. And this is called a machine learning approach, which I have not named. But this gives me a model which is, which handles the challenges of the various variances within the in the client's business. What we are trying to understand, what we are trying to model is a highly variant data. Okay, means our forecast should be able to handle highly variant data, and this is called robustness. Okay, this is called robustness of the forecasting model. We also call robust models. It's a very costly models. It's very highly intelligent and very costly. Yeah. Yeah, Excel will be time consuming because how many we don't know how many iterations will require, right? We don't know how many iterations will require. We don't know that. Generally, it takes maybe 10 to 15 iterations, not more. In my experience, maximum it has gone to 59 iterations maximum, not more than that. Yes, it's a very large number of iterations. Okay, so we have already studied error management, and I have already explained this concept of the error management to you guys before also. So this is a major principle of box Jenkins method, and this is how why he is using error into the model, and that's why he's calling this as a moving average. He is giving a name. It's not moving average, it is recursive moving average. You have to remember, it's not moving average, it is a recursive moving average. Is it clear now, Funny? What is the main concept of ARIMA? Why he is using? Okay, so it's a very, very powerful technique. ARIMA is a very powerful technique, no doubt about this. It's a very powerful technique. But we need to understand, the text, the way it is being, taught everywhere, the ARIMA, right? That is a wrong way. They only, why it's good that you have asked the question. I've already explained this in the beginning itself. But okay, you have asked the question once again. It's good. But this is the main principle. Okay. So I'll write here moving average in ARIMA. So in forecasting, everything is error management. In forecasting, everything is error management. Remember this. If you're doing error management properly, then your forecast will be good. If you're doing, if you're just focusing on modeling, you're just focusing on modeling. Okay, if you're just focusing on modeling, it will not be, it will not take you anywhere. You just you have to work on the error. Better, if you have your error in under control, if you have error under control, then you have your forecast under control. I'm sending this file to all of you. So please check the spam folder. Still, my mails are going into spam. Okay, please check your emails. So you'll get the understanding from there.